Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a watermark for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to your browser and then you have to search for a watermark remover. And then here I'm going to remove watermark from my video. So I'm going to open up one of the website that has appeared. But I recommend you to choose this one guys because it's free and it's easy. I'm going to visit this website and we can upload our image. We can click on open file and oh my god. Okay, for example, I'm going to remove a watermark from, wait guys, I'm still searching for the video with watermark. Okay, this one. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay, we can select the watermark area like this guys. Okay. All right, now it's done and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove a watermark. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.